sad. Once again, people hurt real bad. Just because they're not the same, they don't deserve all of this pain.
Why do we have to hurt each other just because we believe in different ways? In the end, we all really want the same thing, to live in a world we're free to sing.
It's time to live in harmony. We want to live in harmony. It's time to live in harmony. We want to live in harmony. Sometimes dark ages still live in us, still full of hatred and much distrust. Have we as humans evolved at all? We have to learn, or we all will fall.
Imagine a world we're free to choose. Imagine a world we're free to love. Are you ready to make this dream come real? Spread this call like birds.